Okay, we are at the India House with a name who needs no introduction, Shan, next to me. Firstly, what do you make of this concept of having a home away from home, like an India House in Paris?
No, I'm blown away because I'm told that there are country houses that various countries have, and this is the first time India has had their own India House here. My own cousins, Dola Banerjee, Rahul Banerjee, they've been a part of the Olympic, contingent in the previous Olympics, and they've come back a little disappointed that they feel so lost, they feel so lonely, they feel so वहाँ जाकर एक अचानक से इतना बड़े मंच पर कैसे परफॉर्म करें, लेकिन ये होने से when it's in their village, so every time on an off day, on a free day, they can be here, they can feel relaxed, they can actually enjoy their training more. It's a brilliant initiative, and I think it's going to bring a lot of positive results in the Olympics for us. क्योंकि जितनी भी आप प्रेपरेशन करें, वो लास्ट मिनट जब आपका जो मन थोड़ा सा कहीं कम हो जाए, उस मन को जोश दिलाने में, और यहाँ every day there are going to be performers. I'm glad I'm the first one to get started, but a lot of great artists coming in to perform for them. So I think it's a brilliant idea. I'd like to thank Neeta Ambani ji and the Lance Group, to come together with the government and create this beautiful space for our athletes.
What sort of a role do you see yourself performing? Because I saw your electric performance. They're going to be athletes, and once they listen to those patriotic songs, how do you think you'll fire them up?
Yeah, I have shortlisted some very strong songs that have been part of film soundtracks that have to do with sport, different sport, and be it Chak De India, which is hockey, be it Dangal ka title track, और ऐसे बहुत सारे गाने हैं जो हर एक
83 फिल्म का भी यूज है,
83 फिल्म का गाना. Of course, cricket is not a part of it, but they can always use that, to the pride of waving your own country's flag is something special. एक बहुत स्पेशल गाना भी पहली बार मैं यहाँ परफॉर्म करूँगा. गाने का नाम ही है जीत का गीत. So this song had sung for Chandu Champion, but they didn't use it in the film. Pritam Da composed it, and Kausar Munim he wrote it. It's so apt for the Indian athletes, for the Olympians, and I'm sure it's going to motivate them a little extra.
All right, thank you so much for taking out, speaking of all the best. Thank you. Thanks, Shan.